Yeah. Now I'm feeling so much better after being able to siguro na chinek din naman ako ng mga PT namin, si PT Harry and PT Jigs, and Doc Canlas also message na. So, doing well. I hope nothing serious din naman yung nangyari. But I'm just really grateful to my coaches din na alam mo yan, kilala nila yung mga players nila. Talagang isang tingin lang kay Coach Sherwin, alam din niya, acknowledge niya din na medyo may hindi maayos na nararamdaman. But right now, so much better. Hoping na makapahinga and mas makarecover pa naman natin. Well, honestly, the doctor also messaged na, so I'm just, we're just gonna wait and see kung ano yung mga further or instruction. So hopefully, sana wala na din. But yeah, just to make sure, for sure yung doctor naman mag-update and mag-update din yung mga PTs ko. So yeah, PTs natin. Yeah, thank you.
A separate question naman, pagdating sa 5 sets all throughout the event career, ano yung magic in there? Parang paano nyo hinahandle lagi yung 5 sets?
Magic? Wow! Honestly, Ella was mentioning kanina nga na parang there's a switch na parang nag-go on whenever during 5th set. And honestly, probably it's the fire and knowing na we have to finish and that's the last set. Alam mo, iba rin yung adrenaline when you know na yun yung last set. And ang dami na rin siguro din talaga naming mga games na pushed into 5 sets. So we're glad na those experiences every single time, most of the time, nag-work in our favor. So yun, I would say disiplina and acknowledging each other na we're all here for each other. So siguro yun din yung isa sa mga things na meron sa team, most especially pag mga tight matches.
Nakakakaba pa rin.
Mas nakakakaba when you watch. But I think when you're inside the court, more than the kaba, mas laser focus ka kasi sa mga gagawin mo, and most especially bumabagal din talaga lahat. So it's nice to always have this pressure kasi in the long run, sana ito yung mga makatulong sa amin ng mga games. Signal today was just so determined to play. They're youngster, but definitely their heart is so huge and they fought all the way. So I think being one of the veteran teams, yun ang din yung advantage namin in today's match, how to finish it. Yun!
Siyempre, masaya kasi naka-recover kami dun sa 3rd and 4th set. So, siyempre, yung winning ng Signal talagang nandun eh. So, mahirap din talaga silang kalaban. Since dati pa naman, ano na yan eh. Siyempre, si Coach Chuck hindi basta-basta magpapatalkat, sino yung player niyan. So, talagang nagsipag sila. So, siguro yung break na punta sa amin, tsaka siguro nakatulong din yung sanay na sa laro yung Creamline sa mga ganong laban. So, malaking advantage sa amin. So, happy ako at nakuha namin yung panalo.
Thank you.